Fire crews are racing to gain control of massive wildfires in Sonoma County in Northern California. Worse still, strong winds for a prolonged period are forecast this weekend, the perfect conditions to fan the flames. And now massive power cuts affecting more than 2 million people are planned.
Any spark from any source can lead to catastrophic results. We do not want to be one of those sources. That's why public safety power shutoffs have become so frequent. It's also why they are becoming so widespread and affecting so many people throughout the state.
Many are terrified of facing fires without power and possibly at night. And for those living near about a dozen fires that are already burning, the only option is to flee.
Everyone evacuate, the fire's coming up!
The first fire is thought to have started when a power line leading to an electricity pylon broke on Wednesday.